Greetings, devs. Today I'm going to be looking at an audio bug. We've got a report that the music for this game, RobotRace, is being affected, maybe, by the speed the player is going. And it shouldn't be. Could be that the default settings for doppler shift are having an effect there. So let's see first if I can duplicate the effect and if I can even hear it. If I can hear it, then I can fix it. So let's do it. Okay, I definitely wasn't noticing a pitch shift, but I was noticing a pan, and I think it doesn't feel like that's part of the source. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go see if I can find just a steady tone, and as irritating as that is, that will be to listen to. A steady tone would be able to tip me off both about the panning and if there's any pitch shift. So I'm going to go and do that. No, nothing there. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, let's download this one. Hang on, let's download it. Boom. Okay. Let's put to compress the memory. Interesting. I'll come back around to that. Just put a PCM and we'll apply, and we're going to put that on, there it is, right there. Okay, this is going to be pretty annoying. We're going to be listening to that dial tone as our looping music. All right. Oh, yeah, you could absolutely hear there was a pitch shift right there. Let's see if it happens again. Oh, yeah, did you hear that? Okay, so that's a really great trick for audio debugging. That, it's a subtle enough effect with the music playing. Most of us couldn't hear it, but Scott could hear it. Your audio people are the ones to go to on that, and it's definitely there. So a really good trick. Yeah, I think we heard it. Really good trick there to use a test sample to show what's going on with that. Okay, let's see if we can fix it. My working hypothesis is that it's just set to use 3D spatial blending. Let's just turn that off. So now it's a 2D sound. Let's see if that alone fixes it. Okay, there was a bebop there before, and I did not hear it this time. I didn't hear it on the speed pad that time. Yeah, that sounds pretty steady. How about the pan? I'm going to put my ears between the speakers and listen for any panning. Yeah, this seems like that has solved the panning issue as well as the Doppler. Okay, I think that's the fix. So what we'll do, I'm gonna reload the scene. Make sure I don't have. Oh, I do have. Okay, put the sound back on, and we're going to set the spatial blend to 2D. And you know, while I'm at it, I'm going to also set the Doppler level just to 0, just to be sure. That ought to take care of it. We'll save that. We're good to go. While I'm in here, I noticed the music isn't set to streaming. How big is the music? It is 20 megabytes. What if we do streaming on there? And, you know, let's Vorbis set that thing. Apply. Let's do them all, including my test sample. So I'm going to say this is streaming audio, Vorbis, apply. And then I'll have to go around to all the levels and apply that same fix to the Doppler shift. Just make sure the game seems to still work. Okay, and that was the loop point. I'm just waiting for the loop point there. Seems like we're in good shape. Okay. So that's the fix. Watch out for that in your music as well. A couple things we looked at. Streaming audio is available. Use that for anything large, and go ahead and set it to a Vorbis mode. Save yourself some bytes. Those bytes, those add up to load times and download times for your online games. So that's a win. You want to do that. Other than that, music, just turn off the panning setting on there. Let's show that again. The spatial blend setting, boom, make sure that's all the way down, and also the Doppler. Okay, I'm gonna go and make sure all the levels have this. I see that's a prefab. Good thinking there, making that a prefab. I can fix that in the prefab and it should get all the levels. All right, so that's it for today. I will see you next time on the vlog.